Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I've come to the conclusion that nothing moves on the internet unless somebody buys something. And so I am making my program at least a $10 program. You have to buy something in order to enter into my company. Now don't be upset with that, because everything that we've got in our products is inexpensive. There's not a product that we have that is over $50, and the minimal products are $10. This is, in this pull down menu, this is where you make your purchase at. Okay, from this pull down menu. Now when you make your purchase with Debit Card Profits, what's going to happen is one of our members is going to receive 75% of that order, because they are a ClickBank member. If they are not a ClickBank member, the admin will receive the full amount on that product. That's the way we've got this system set up. But as you can see right here on this is the $10 product. Over here at this page right here, you would pull down the menu and go to Viral Traffic Tornado, and you would make your purchase right here. And what you will come to see, because the person whose page we are on currently with this has their information in there as one of our affiliates. And that's it right there. I'll highlight that so you can see. So if somebody made a purchase right here and they had landed on that person's page, they will get 75% of the $10. Now, naturally, everybody's budget and taste is different. So basically, when you pull down that menu, as I said before, of the many products that we've got here, and let's see, I'm not sure which one. This is Instant Traffic Mastery. Okay, that's 50 videos in that course. So when you purchase that one there by clicking right here, that one is the most expensive product that we have in our lineup of products. But it certainly is not so expensive. I mean, you're getting 50 videos that you can learn Instant Traffic Mastery with on there. So let me explain something. If you want to learn and you want to make money, and regardless of what you pay for the product, you're going to learn something with that product. Now, there are products in here that are free. The Science of Getting Rich, you can download that PDF book for free. That will not gain you membership. In the form below on this page, when you fill that out, you put down the product that you purchased in there, because that way I can check on my ClickBank back office, and I can find out and actually know if you made the purchase there. And I'm going to get 25%, and the affiliates are going to get 75%. So that's the way that works. And this, I have to do this because, like I said before, nobody makes any money on the internet unless somebody buys something. And we want to help everybody make money. So for a measly $10, you can make money with our program. And I'm going to do this on a case-to-case basis. If somebody wants in for free, I'm going to be very discriminative with letting them in for free. I'm going to want to know how they plan on marketing our program, if they are going to actually work to market our program, because I have ways that we can get thousands of hits to each page, but I am not going to do all of the work myself. I think that people should work for what they earn. I think that they should follow my directions, and they should follow the directions in the free traffic system, follow the directions that I lay forth, and they will make money with this. And now, since I'm putting this information on here about the pull down menu and the products, and that's going to force people to purchase at least the $10 product that we've got here. There are other products that we have here. Let's see, instant cash magnets. Just peruse through the different products and see for yourself, what we're offering, because there's a wealth of information here. And this is what you need to do to make money. If you learn and earn as you go, this is the way that you do it right here. So, I hope that I got through to some people on here, and let's start making some purchases from this pull down menu, and we'll see, and we'll teach you how to make your share of that money that is coming in, because all you need is a ClickBank account to do that. And then there are thousands and thousands of products on ClickBank that you can actually make money with. You don't have to just make money with our products, but you can do it with thousands and thousands of products over there on ClickBank, and you can make money with that. And I have mine set at $50 for the top products that I have, but there are products over there that are selling for thousands of dollars, and they're definitely worth it, So I mean, this is just one way that you're going to be able to make money, and I need you to check it out for yourself. Purchase at least the Traffic Tornado. If you want to purchase more than one product, feel free to do so. But whatever your budget is, that I'm not trying to break anybody's bank with our program, but I do want you to be a conscientious affiliate of mine. I want you to want to learn. I want you to actually make money. So this is the way you have to do it. Thank you.